In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew a Florida driver license online in 2026. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles website at flhmv.gov. It's important to use the official state website so you know you're completing your renewal through the correct and secure portal. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says Renew Online. This section is designed for license and ID services that can be completed digitally, and it will guide you toward the online renewal process. From there, click on My DMV Portal. This is the system Florida uses for many online driver and vehicle related services. When the portal page opens, select the option to log in to the My DMV portal so you can continue. Before moving forward, you may be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Take a moment to review them, then accept them to proceed. This is a standard part of accessing most government service portals online. Next, you'll need to choose whether you already have an account or if you're new to the portal. If you've used MyDMV before, sign in with your existing account. In this example, we're choosing the new user option. After selecting that you're new here, click Enroll Now. This will begin the account creation process and connect your information to the online system. You'll then see a screen asking you to select one of the available user types. Choose the option that matches your situation. In this example, select the option for an individual. Now enter your name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your Florida driver license or motor vehicle record. This part matters a lot. Even small differences, like a missing middle name or a nickname instead of your legal name, can cause verification issues. So make sure everything matches your official record as closely as possible. After that, continue filling out the form with the requested information. Take your time here and double check each field before moving on. Accuracy helps avoid delays and makes the enrollment and renewal process smoother. Once you've completed the form, click Next to continue. At this stage, you'll be moving further into the portal to finish setting up access and continue with your renewal. As a general tip, keep your driver license nearby while completing the process and make sure you're using a secure internet connection, especially when entering personal information. And that's how to begin renewing your Florida driver license online through the MyDMV portal.